Well, hello there, my friends, Sagittariuses. Welcome to your reading for the month of June. The month of May is almost over, and I hope you had a fantastic month. I hope that you had plenty of surprises, good ones, of course. And if you didn't, then I hope that June will be the month to give you those great surprises. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our general reading, followed by a love reading, and then followed by a message of the angels. For the general reading, we will be using 2 oracles, and I just want to thank you so much for being here on this channel with me, for listening to the energies and listening to what the universe has to tell you. And that if you decided to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, then go ahead and contact me at my email below, and we'll go ahead and set up a free, at no charge, 15-minute reading for you, where we could go ahead and take a look at a couple questions. So there we go. Let's get started. Make sure we get all the cards here going. Now, I don't take jumpers because that's not how I get my cards out, but it's certainly been wanting to jump lately. I don't know what kind of weather you guys are having, but I am in Minnesota and we're having some warm weather. We're not gonna complain, right? But it's either too hot and muggy or too cold. We can never seem to have quite a perfect day here. So windows are open. I'm sorry about that. So let's go ahead and take 9 cards, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's look at the back of the deck. Beautiful card, health. Right there. Very, very good. Okay, let's see what it has to tell us. I want to make sure that all the cards are in line. All right. Freedom, you guys. Freedom of something, huh? Collapse. Change. I haven't seen that card yet. All right, see all the cards? Okay, so you've got the freedom right in the middle of your reading here. Freedom that is surrounded by change, major change, and surrounded by a teardown. So that brings me in, below that was jealousy. I wonder if you guys had some kind of breakthrough where your life kind of had to, if you had one of those tower moments, right, in the tarot, if you had one of those tarot moments where you have something has to like completely tear down, break down to the foundation in order to start building again. That's kind of what it feels to me. It feels to me that somebody didn't quite have some good intentions towards you. There might have been some excess of something going on, either in a relationship or in your life or in your home, and that you felt at some point in time, you felt that you were at a standoff. You just couldn't move forward anymore. And you had this breakthrough. You realized that this could not be happening. This couldn't just keep on going. You had this breakthrough, you felt the freedom, and now you're moving on to something new. Something new that might be bringing in a union. The breakthrough could have been about the union as well. The breakthrough could have been about something happening in the house, where you just said no more, I'm not accepting this anymore. But you tear it down, you're building it back up, you're feeling freedom about it, and that's leading you to a complete change in your life, a complete makeover in your life. And like I said, that complete makeover could be bringing in a union, could be bringing in a new partnership, or could have been about that union. But no matter what, this was it was good. It was good for your health. You needed it. Whatever happened in that breakthrough, or whatever happened in that excess, might not have been good for your health. And look at that. Look, oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. Wow, look at those. You've got harmony right here, you've got love right here, you've got luck right here, and you've got healing right here. So that's exactly what I'm saying, you guys. That tower moment that happened in your life, or that is going to be happening in your life, is going to be for the best. It's a teardown, it's a breakthrough, but it is going to be bringing in all those wonderful energies, all those wonderful great feelings. So you are going to want to go through that moment if it hasn't happened in your life yet. Because, I mean, you're talking freedom. We're talking about all those wonderful energies. This is an amazing reading, you guys. Amazing reading. Awesome. All right. Second oracle, this is a 77. It's a brand new oracle to me. It's all about symbols. So let me know what you think. I'd be interested to get feedback. All right. Okay, Sagittarius, not sure exactly the proper Saggies, maybe, should we just say? All right. So here we're gonna want 10 cards, guys. Nine, and let's take this one right here, 10. Back of a deck. Doubt, question mark, what's happening? I kind of would like to know what is happening. All right, let's see here. Let's make sure we have the cards all in order. Okay. All right. You're feeling kind of trapped, or you're feeling like you're in a maze. Okay. So it looks to me like at this point right now, you're feeling like you're in a maze. You're feeling like you're not sure where to go. You want to move, you want some movement, but you're not sure where to go. You're not sure what to do. You had this this past that's coming back to you. It's coming back to you after a period of standstill. It's coming back to you after almost no contact. Kind of coming back to you out of the blue, and you're kind of like wanting to know what is coming from. You've had this. You've had to cut through some hurt, probably linked to your past. You've definitely had some tears that fell because of it. But there's a gift coming. That gift is coming quickly. It's coming to you. Going to be bringing in some brighter days, and it's going to be completely unexpected. But you're having doubts. You're having doubts about that past and about that reconciliation. You're definitely having some doubts about that. You've had to cut the past because there has been some hurts about the relationship. So past relationship that might be coming back, I'm not sure what to do with it. Do keep in mind that there is something good coming your way. The golden card is an awesome card. The gift is here. So, you know, kind of put your thinking cap back on and figure out what is best for you. Is it best to go back to that past relationship, even though there hasn't been contact for a while? Or is it best to just move on and wait for something good, better, maybe even coming your way? That's kind of where you are at. So it wasn't supposed to be a love reading, but I don't choose the cards, so the universe tells me what that message is about. Okay, so love reading. I hope this speaks to you in some ways. Of course, it can speak to everyone, right? And you just take what resonates, leave what doesn't. It's a general reading, so five cards this time. Two, four, quatre, cinq. Just want to make sure we're seeing all the cards. Back of the deck is jealousy. Time. Shedding our masks off. Fragility. Promise. Self-interest. Guys, I think it's time for you to let your guard down a little bit and take that mask off and show some sincerity about whatever new relationship you're about to get in or you are in. You're definitely feeling fragile, probably about your past relationship that may not have turned out the way you wanted it to, or might have hurt you. Maybe you felt that you were left behind, that you were not always the first person in the other person's mind, that you are not their first priority. That has gone on for some time, but it's also time to let go of it, because whatever you're letting go of, there's something new, there's something better. We've seen it in the previous reading, right, with the gold card. Well, this is kind of the equivalent of the gold card, right? This is a ring, this is a promise, this is a new beginning. So you definitely have something new coming, something better coming. So I think it's time to shed whatever mask you're putting on, whatever, just be yourself. You're good enough, you're worthy enough. You don't need to try to be somebody else. Just be yourself. And it's okay to be fragile. It's okay to be fragile, but it comes a time where, you know, not everyone is going to put you last. You know, you're going to find a relationship, and then there it is. It's right here. You're going to find a relationship where that person is going to put you first. And that's going to be worth it. That's going to be worth everything. So very good, you guys. Awesome. So what does the angel have to say? Diversity. The world would be so terribly boring if we were all alike. Celebrate your character, your unique character. You are special and you are loved. You are special and you are loved, Sagis. So what I want you to take away from this is that we are not all relationships are alike. So if you were hurt in the past relationship, doesn't mean that your next one is going to be the same, right? You don't have to repeat the schema. You know, you don't have to repeat it. So remember you are special. Remember you are loved. You have a fantastic month for June. You please let me know if you meet that someone special. I would love to be able to rejoice with you. And I will look forward to your July reading. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. You have a wonderful, wonderful month. Bye-bye.